the moment my bag flew out of the ride.
Nahulog ni Papi yung bag namin. Sa Indiana Jones! Hala!
Reporting the incident to the staff, went to the guest relations and was advised to return at 9 p.m. after the park's closing. Retrieval of my bag was uncertain.
One eternity later.
We have to go to the guest relations in the hopes that we can get our bag. Kasi kung wala yung bag namin, dito kami sa Disney Sea matutulog. Sa train station nila. Wala kaming pera, wala kaming wallet, wala kaming cards, wala kaming power bank, at ngayon ay palobat na to. Nakikita ko na yung bag ko. Nakikita ko na.
It's fun. Yeah, okay. Alright. So, would you check? Okay. So, have a nice evening. Thank you for waiting.
Thank you so much. Guys, meron na. Lahat ng card namin nandito.